Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help Ama Fans Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ama Fans Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns won. Ama-Tuks won. Mamelodi Sundowns wins via penalties. I'm joined by Umuntu.
What's the social?
What's the social?
Alexander one.
Alexander one.
Ita.
Muntu
Stibo, we are struggling.
Wait.
Need to understand the rebel.
Yeah.
It's about 5 games. Come call Damana bulletin.
Yeah.
5 games.
Yeah.
Arkori. No. Stibo, I keep.
Ke fault ya mang?
I keep. No. Rulan Center changed tactics.
Yeah.
Because Kishwari Batoba analyzing games.
Sure.
For now.
Yeah.
Starting from our level backwards.
Yeah.
Ba analyze it. Ba check hore ho etsahalang. Ba lebeletse TV re relang. So starting from level ka game ya Yanga.
Yeah.
Go Tanzania.
Okay.
Go Tanzania.
First leg.
Yeah. It's just that we are lucky because Aziz Salah Hubal.
First leg.
That boy dangerous.
Yeah.
That boy dangerous. I must tell you. So, but ba analyze it ba lebella game tsa rena ba tswalla di practice and then ba defend.
Yeah.
Hapa go lebella game ya go Tanzania Damana dala ka 6 defenders.
He did.
And it mitigates.
True.
Why bon?
Yeah.
So today na ba phagile train.
Tax.
It barricades.
Yeah.
It's just unfortunate.
Yeah.
At the end.
Yeah.
Sundowns ke Sundowns.
Sundowns
ke Sundowns. Okasi team. At the end of the day, Sundowns ke Sundowns.
Yeah.
So, ka utlwa bolela ba re no go finaleng re nyaka Pirates nya. Pirates e lose 2-1 ka boshimu.
Yeah.
Lose 2-1. Lose 2-1 Pirates.
Pirates jiwe.
Kausani. Kamazulu.
Sai jula kausani.
Pirates jiwe. Pirates jiwe kausani 2-1. Yeah. Auto bafethu ba bolela ba rena re nyaka Pirates. Pirates e finyi.
Pirates
tsile ka boshimu. Tsile ka boshimu. Yeah. It's 2-1.
Man of the match.
Wait against Kibone. Kinogoreza lengu Rulani. Atem fanele warga mabena.
Yeah.
I'm start the game.
Yeah.
That boy utharile 10 minutes before 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Marake man of the match work.
Yeah.
Man of the match work. Yeah, it's my man of the match.
Yeah. Muntu na le na account na bank.
Stibo, I'm sure go botsala with 2. Go pola re le mo. Go botsa ke Stibo nak fedit.
O tetile right
In the pocket.
You see ka melo swipe vela ka 5 tie ka muntu. Vela ka 5 tie. O swipe vela 5 tie.
Awuna stress Stibo. Kida.
O swipe 5 tie and then you are in the running to
Stibo against that Stibo.
Why batla she?
Ke batla redeng. Ke nyaka reka Chiefs. Ke nyaka Chelsea, ke nyaka reka Chiefs.
Thank you, Monte.
2 seconds.